So we all know about crypto mining at this point. You use your GPU processing power to mine for cryptocurrency. Well, the new thing to do is to use your GPU processing power to mine for free PC games, GTA Shark cards, or even Xbox Live Gold cards. It's pretty cool. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new GPU mining program called Games from Space, and it allows you to use your GPU processing power to mine for free PC games whenever you're not using your computer. And if you want to see more tutorial videos or PC building videos, then hit that subscribe button down below and also that notification bell. That way you never miss an episode. But yeah, let's start mining some free PC games. The program that we're looking at today is called Games from Space that you can download right now from gamesfromspace.com. Here on the homepage, you'll see that as of right now, it's only available on Windows, and you'll also need a GPU with at least 4 GB of VRAM. Once you download the program and create an account, here's what the program will look like on Windows. If you click on Engine Room over there on the left, this brings up the settings menu for your GPU. This is where you can configure the program, and as you can see, there really aren't that many settings, and this is super easy to use. Up at the top, it'll show you your GPU, the temperature, fan speed, and the utilization. It's super nice to have all of this data within the app and not have to use another piece of software beside it. Moving down, you can configure your AFK timeout because the way this program is designed is to automatically start mining whenever you're not using your PC. That way you don't forget to start it up. By default, Games from Space is set to not mine at all when you're actively using the computer, but you can override this with the always on setting, and then you can pick between 3 different modes of GPU utilization. Below that, you'll also want to set your computing region to the closest available server to you. Other than that, the only other settings I found useful were under advanced settings, and I selected run on system startup just in case my system reboots overnight. After that very quick settings adjustment, which is way easier than setting up a real cryptocurrency miner, you're all set to start earning coins, which is their virtual currency, so you can earn some PC games. You can go up to the store here and take a look at everything that's available for purchase. Surprisingly enough, they have a ton of the popular games like PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Grand Theft Auto 5, Rainbow Six Siege, and even GTA Online Shark cards. Below each game is a little icon to show you if it's a Steam code or if it's on GOG, Origin, Battle.net, or the Windows Store. You can add any of these games to your queue, that way you can track your progress and see an estimated time it'll take your GPU to earn your game. Keep in mind that some games aren't available as soon as you buy it. It's actually kind of annoying. Like for example, I purchased Train Simulator 2016 because it was super cheap and I just wanted to make sure that it worked, and it didn't tell me till after I bought the game that it wasn't going to be available for up to 24 hours. It only took 12 hours, so it's not that big of a deal, and this is plastered all over their frequently asked questions. It's just something to be aware of. Finally, if you look over to the bottom left here, once the engine is running, you'll be able to see how many coins you're earning per day, and that number is going to fluctuate a lot based on many different factors. For reference, my GTX 1080 Ti was earning anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 coins on a daily basis. Before wrapping up this video, there are 2 quick disclaimers that I need to talk about. First, this definitely isn't the best bang for your buck way of getting PC games. It would be definitely better to mine cryptocurrency that's profitable, convert that currency into USD or whatever your currency is, and then buy the PC games, but obviously that's a lot more work. The second disclaimer is that you're definitely going to raise your electricity bill, and you might even raise it higher than the price of the game, so just make sure you calculate all that before you start. For example, I'm currently in a house where I use solar panels and I don't pay for my monthly energy bill, and if I wasn't in that situation, I probably wouldn't even be doing this. Overall, Games from Space seems like a pretty legit opportunity for you to utilize your monster gaming PC to earn yourself some free games when you're not using your computer. If setting up a mining rig scares you or you don't like the idea of cryptocurrency, maybe this method will be an acceptable opportunity because it's really easy to set up and you're mining for games that you'll keep forever. Well, that wraps up my tutorial for how to use Games from Space to mine some free PC games. Be sure to let me know in the comment section if you've ever used this before or what you think of this service. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like down below to help support my channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more Zach's Tech Turf videos.